What's up guys, NDM Tech here. I have been using iOS 12 for a while now and these are the new features available now. There will be a short review at the end where I'll share my thoughts on iOS 12. Let's get into the new features now. First one is group notifications. As the name suggests, notifications from a single app are grouped into one, which makes the lock screen look more clean. Tapping on it expands it, and you can also manage notifications right from the lock screen. Next one is screen time. Apple's solution to reduce smartphone addiction. It shows all sorts of information, for example, the time you spend on different categories like entertainment, productivity, creativity, etc. You can set time limits for individual apps, and you can also schedule a time away from screen. It is called downtime. In this mode, only phone calls and apps that we allow will be allowed to use. This also has the ability to sync across all your devices using iCloud. Apple acquired Workflow last year, and Apple's version of Workflow is called Shortcuts, a new app from Apple which allows us to combine multiple tasks into one. It can be triggered either by tapping a button on the Shortcuts widget or by asking Siri to do it. This will make Siri a lot more useful. It still can't beat Google Assistant though. Apple needs to work more on Siri to reach that level. A lot of pre-made shortcuts are also available. Another new app introduced by Apple this time is Measure. It's an augmented reality based app and I love it. You can measure the size of real life objects just by pointing your camera at it. The only thing I hate about it is the calibration process that we have to go through while opening the app every single time. Sometimes it works very fast and sometimes it just takes forever to calibrate. I hope they'll fix it in iOS 12.1. The camera app now automatically reads QR codes, Photos app got smarter with a smarter search, and the whole app got a redesign. Voice memos also got a redesign, and there comes Apple Books. It's not iBooks anymore. Apple Books also got a redesign. The keyboard got a little redesign, and apart from that, iPhone 10 users can remove apps from multitasking just by swiping up. No need to press and hold for the X button to come up. Face ID is a little faster. It's a little faster means it's very little. It's not noticeable until you compare it side to side with an iOS 11 device. Natural light option in portrait mode looks more natural now. And until now, I didn't mention that mega FaceTime feature which supports up to 32 people on a single call because as of now, it's not available. As promised, the overall experience with iOS 12 feels faster on all the devices. Apps open up faster, keyboard pops up faster, etc. etc. But there is one problem, that is battery life. I hope that gets well optimized with iOS 12.1, and for some reason my phone switches faster than ever between 4G and 3G. In iOS 11, I always had to switch manually in the settings because automatic switching was so slow. But with iOS 12, it just switches automatically faster. So yeah, iOS 12 is more of a cleanup rather than a breakthrough new OS. If you want to run the smoothest iOS 12, wait for iOS 12.1. Otherwise, just update. That's it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in the next one.